everyone, it's me and Pep, and I'm glad you're back. We're gonna finish this vlog up. We're gonna see how this delicious dish came out, and yeah, so stay tuned. Keep watching if you want to see more.
But what's standing in my way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together.
So it's been what, an hour, not an hour yet. It's been about 40 minutes since we put the turkey in the oven. But right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna water my plants because it seems like I haven't watered my plants in the longest time. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I am a plant lover. I love my house plants and love taking care of them. So let me show you some of them. So this plant I actually had the longest. This plant is older than my daughter. Well, I had it longer than my daughter. And it just started with these new stems right here. These two sprouts right here sprouted up not too long ago. At first it was looking really skinny and stuff, but now it's starting to look really, really good. Now, with my plants, I only water it when the soil is really dry. And if you look, you see how dry that soil is. So I'm gonna give that one a good watering. And this is my Z plant. It's called a ZZ plant, like the letter Z. And this one I watered not too long ago, so I don't think I need to water this one. This one is getting so big. So I'm gonna water that one. And I have these two plants right here. This one is another one of my favorite. I just love the leaves, the color of the leaves. And this one feels like she needs some watering because what I'm doing right now is I'm moving the soil around. Let me show you if I get to the soil. Just to see how dry it is, and that's pretty dry. This one is another plant that I have, and I think all of them needs watering. I don't think I watered them for a while. Here goes my smaller Fiddle plant. And this one I could just look and see how dry this soil is. So I'm gonna give her a good watering. And this is the humongous Penelope. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I had her for a well, actually 2 years. But she has grown so much. Look how big she is. She's past the window molding right now. So she's really big. So you can follow her journey on Instagram. And I have another smaller Z plant over here. The soil is pretty dry right now for Penelope. So I'm gonna water her. I'm gonna show you how I do my water regimen. I have my snake plant right here. And y'all, I already told y'all somebody bought this credenza. So they're supposed to pick it up this week. So I'm gonna move this picture from here, and I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I'm gonna move that, and this is just gonna be empty for a while until I get the new credenza to go there. So, to water my plants, let me show you the whole regimen. My plants, I always have, these are old towels. You know when you have towels that are old that you throw out after a while. These are some old ones. I always have some old towels at hand, and it's just to soak up any excess water that you don't want the water to stay in the catch tray for the plant. So you want to have some towels. Sometimes I usually take my plant out of the catch tray at the bottom and sit them on the towel and water them until I feel the towel is wet. I have my water jug right here that I've had forever. And then I have some sort of cup. Usually I have my Burger King cup, but I don't know where that went. So I'll use this one right here. So we're just gonna fill up the And sometimes I use Epsom salt. I would use Epsom salt as a fertilizer, but I'm not gonna do that today because I'm really not sure if I'm should fertilize as yet. I have to read and see if I'm supposed to fertilize in the fall. But yeah, we're gonna just water today. So we're just gonna fill that up and start watering the plants. So I usually, the reason I use the cup, because I like to gauge how much water I'm putting in there. So for this plant, I'm gonna give about 4 cups, maybe 3 cups of water. And then I'm gonna look to see if it's draining at the bottom. So that's 1 cup. Second cup. And I'll give it 1 more cup. That's 3 cups of water. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna start watering some more plants. I'm gonna come back and see if this needs any more. For these plants, I'm gonna actually take them out the tray and put them on a towel and water them till the towel is wet. So I'm gonna take this towel, I'm gonna put it on the floor, and I'm gonna put each plant on it. So this one here, this back of it. So I have both of them off of the tray and they're on the towel, and I'm gonna give a couple of cups of water to each one. And that's how I do all my plants. So Penelope, she is really huge, so I just keep her, of course, on her tray. And I'm gonna give them start off with about 3 cups. So that's 2 cups for her. And I'm gonna do another cup of water. Like that. And that's how I'm gonna do all the plants. I'm gonna do Penelope. She usually takes about 8 cups initially, and then I look to see if it's draining and add more. So this is the regimen. Hey y'all, so I am finished watering the plants. So let me show you real quick. So this plant right here, if you can see, is still water at the bottom. After I've watered it, so what I'll do, I'm gonna leave it there for a few minutes, and if it doesn't soak it up, then I'll go back and take a towel and soak up all that water, because I don't want any remaining. I'll soak up all that water because I don't want any water just sitting there. So I'm finished with all the plants. I put those back on the stand. I watered this one, and I'm done with Penelope. I gave her like 8 cups and there's still no water at the bottom. So I'm gonna wait a few, I think 8 or 9 cups of water. I'm gonna wait a few to see if any water drains out. But if not, I'll give it one more. I am done. Listen, watering the plants is a whole chore, okay? So, yeah. Let me ask something. Anybody has dogs? This is how my dog eats. She'll take her food from right there and bring it right here to the rug from different places and eat it. So she'll move, she'll take it from there she goes. And she knows I'm watching her now. She'll take her food and she'll go on the rug and eat it. I have no idea what that's about. But let me show you, the food is smelling delicious. And it's been 2 hours, like I said, and I've uncovered, let me show you, I've already uncovered, I'm looking at the time, I've already uncovered the turkey and the rice, and this is what it's looking like. So it's gonna stay in here for another hour, and that's what it's looking like. I'm just gonna make some broccoli or some vegetable for the side, and that'll be it. So I was able to cook dinner, have it going, and still get a lot of stuff done. I did the plants, and I made my bed and watched, made my bed, folded away some curtains that I took down. So I did a lot within that time. So make sure you check out G Rich and some of his recipes. I have it down at the bottom for you to check out. But I'll be back in an hour just to show you how the food turned out. Okay. So y'all, the turkey and the rice is finished, and the rice came out good. The only thing I'll do different is I will put it in a non-stick pan, but the turkey looks good. See how it's breaking off nicely. And right now I'm just doing the broccoli, so that'll be it for dinner. Yeah, but that's how it came out. It looks good. I already tasted it and it's so good. Like I said, the only thing I'll do different is I will put it in a non-stick pan. This pan is not non-stick. And another thing, I didn't have to leave it as long. I know that he said 2 hours covered and 1 hour uncovered, but I did less time being that my portion was smaller. So like I said, next time I'll definitely do it again, but I'll do a non-stick pan. So dinner is almost ready. I have that already done, and I have the broccoli. The broccoli almost done. So yeah, I'll show you how I played it. So this is the end result. So this this is the end result. We got the baked turkey wing, the rice, and broccoli. That's for dinner. The only thing is that my rice came out. It's not as firm as I want it to be. So next time I'll tweak it a little bit. And I think yeah, that's the only thing. But other than that, it's delicious, and I'm gonna try it again. So y'all try it. Let me know what y'all think, and you can shout out to G Rich to let him know when you tried his recipe. So that's it for today. Yeah. So see y'all next week on Wednesday, and let me know if you tried the recipe or not. Okay, bye.
He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah.